I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So question 20 has two parts. The first part is work out 3.67 times by 4.2, and so that's decimal multiplication, and then I need to write it all out. Then I do 7 times by 2, which is 14. I write the 1, carry the 4. Then I do 6 times by 2, but I have to carry 1, so I add 1, and then I write 3, carry 1. And then it's 3 times by 2, which is 6, but I have that carry, so it's 7. And then because it's 40, it's a 10, so I need to add a 0, and then I do the same thing. 4 times by 7. And then I carry, I multiply, add the carry, write it, and I do that again. And then I need to add these two together. I'm just adding and carrying. So after adding those together, I get 15,444, but that isn't the answer because remember I omitted the decimal places first. So it's 3, so I have to move the decimal place 3. So I get 15.414 as my answer. So part B, I have division, and so I'm going to draw a bus stop, and I need my 16 times table. So first I look at 59, and then what's the largest multiple of 16, which I'm going to 59, which I can see is 3, but there's also a remainder. I need to work out the remainder. Which is 11. So I write 11 next to the 8, so that's 118. And then I do the same for 118, and the largest multiple that can go into it is 7 times by 16. So I would write 7, and then I need to find the remainder, which is 6. So then I write 6 next to the 4, so that's 64, and I can see it can go exactly into 16 4 times, so I will write 4. And then remember I omitted the decimal places at the start. So in division, I multiplied this by 10, but I multiplied this by 100, and I multiplied this by 10. So in total, this answer is only 10 times greater because it's 100 divided by 10, which is 10. So I only need to move the decimal place once. And I could work that out. That's 2 there, that's 1 there, and then I subtract both of them from each other. So I have to move 1. And so after I move the decimal place, I would get 37.4 as my answer. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more GCSE math videos.